In this video, I am going to practice my English. At the same time, you are going to learn something from me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, first of all, I want to say sorry to you all that I could not upload videos since long. It's been maybe 10 days because I was completely sick. I was not able to create videos for you. Please forgive me for that. And today is my practice day 5 as per I uploaded the video. Practice day 1 2 3 4, so this is my practice day 5. So in this video I am going to practice my English. At the same time, you are going to learn something from me. Okay, so today I am going to talk about the vocabulary. I want to just make sure that when you start speaking in English or just try to learn this language, don't do this mistake that's like first you will learn vocabulary, then phrases, then sentence, then you will practice by yourself, and then you will try speaking practice. Okay, don't do this mistake. Togetherly you have to do all these things. Okay, so if you are learning a vocabulary, so from this vocabulary you are going to make sentence, and that sentence you are going to use in your conversation. Okay, so all the process togetherly you have to do. So this thing I just want to make sure before going to start the practice today. Okay, so in this video what we are going to do, we are going to learn the vocabulary of our body parts. In this, if I cover all the body parts in a single video, the video will be too long, you know. It can be like 40 minutes or maybe something 50 minutes, so that I just want to explain the vocabulary from head to chin. First it start with hair, right? A single hair, okay, a single hair is called hair strand. Hair strand, okay, and all hair together, all hair together is called hair, not hairs. Okay, hair is not plural. Okay, you have to say hair, not hairs. So now this is black hair. Okay, so in future it may not be black. What is that color? Like, it's not white hair. Okay, it is gray hair. You cannot call it white hair, it is gray hair. And next, this is called parting. This is parting. Okay, next, this skin under your hair, this skin is called scalp. Okay, next is khopri, is called skull. Okay, so this is our hairline. Okay, where the hair begins to grow in our forehead. Okay, this is called hairline. Next, talk about, this is skin, you know already. Okay, this is skin, right? There is no need to explain, I think. Okay, this is skin. Next, let's talk about face. Okay, this is our face, and in the face, this is called forehead, and this side, okay, in the side, this flat surface is called temples. Okay, temples. Okay, next let's talk about this is eyebrows. Okay, and this bone is called brow bone. ओके, यहाँ पे कभी कभार फोल्डिंग वगैरह दिखाई देता है ना आप लोगों को, या तो यहाँ पे स्माइल करने से जब लोग ओल्ड एज हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, यहाँ पे रिंकल्स आता है ना, सो इसको बोलते हैं रिंकल्स. ओके, रिंकल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट this fold. Okay, you can see the fold here, right? So when we open our eyes, this fold is called fold or crease line. Anyone you can say, crease line is best, I think. Okay, next, this is eyelids. Okay, eyelids. Okay, this middle part of two eyebrows is called glabella. Okay, next let's talk a little bit more about eyes. This hair is called eyelashes. Eyelashes. Okay, and then inside of the eyes. Okay, inside of the eyes, this big round one is called iris. Iris. Okay, and inside you can see there is one small black one. Okay, inside of that big black one there is one more small black one. Okay, this is called pupil. Pupil. Okay, and inside of eye there is white color. Okay, you can see the white color. Okay, see the white color. Okay, this white color is called sclera or white of the eye. Okay, white of the eye or sclera. Okay, and this here, don't get confused. Okay, so here is tear duct. This up and down, there is a tube inside. This is called tear duct. Okay, and this pink one, inside the pink one is called carbuncle. C-U-R-U-N-C-L-E. Carbuncle. Okay, now let's talk about nose. Okay, so in the nose, this is nose. Okay, this is nose, and this is bridge of the nose. Okay, and this orifice is called nostrils. Nostrils. Okay, now let's talk about cheeks. Okay, cheeks. Okay, cheeks, and this bone inside, this is called cheekbone. Cheekbone. One more thing I forgot to tell you here, sometime in the old age you can see the puffiness under the eye. Okay, fold you can see here. Okay, down, and this is called eye bags. Okay, eye bags. Now let's talk about ear. And in the ear, the outer ear, this is called pinna, and this is earlobe. Okay, and this orifice is external auditory canal. Okay, external auditory canal. Now let's talk about mouth. Okay, first is lips. Okay, upper lip, lower lip. Okay, together lips. Next is teeth. One tooth, many teeth. Okay, next let's talk about, this is tongue. Okay, and inside you can see both the side there is a tonsil, and in between of two tonsil you can see one structure, and this is what uvula. This is called uvula. Okay, next let's talk about this is called chin. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell, inside of mouth, the teeth. Okay, teeth, above teeth there is gums, masure, gums. Okay, and in males you can see, here the beard. Okay, beard, and this is mustache. Okay, this is jawline. Okay, and in male sometime you can see some boy or some male person, they make here like this, big one. Okay, big one here. This is called, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? So this is called sideburn. Okay, sideburn. So this is all about today's practice. Today I tried to explain about the vocabulary from head to chin. Okay, the same way I will explain other parts of the body as well. So this way we will learn the vocabulary. After completing body parts, I will try to explain about our surroundings in the bed, in the room, or in the kitchen. I will try to explain all kind of vocabulary. Okay, so you can learn as well that way. So this was all about my practice day 5. So if you like my video, please like, share with your friends and family, and please don't forget to comment because I love reading your comments. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.